Today we're going to be talking about replacing shelf support brackets. That's up next here on Bud's Odd Jobs. So my wife had a shelf fall down the other day. She wasn't too pleased with that. It was supported with these small little flimsy plastic clips. Actually, it had fallen one other time. I should have replaced it before, but it's the type where it has these holes and the little shelf support brackets go in those holes. Now I bought some sturdy replacement brackets. Those are brass. The issue is that the insert is bigger than that small hole there. So I need to make the hole larger to receive the larger shelf support bracket. What I've done is I've taken my drill bit and I put tape around the end of the bit, and you can see it's about the depth of that where the shelf supports inserts, so that I don't drill too deep and through the side of the cabinet. So we're going to go ahead and expand a couple of the smaller holes in there so that we can insert the brackets. So with that hole drilled out, that receives this bracket snugly, maybe too snugly. Might have to go a little bit bigger. Perfect. It's just right. We don't want to go too much loose, more loose than that. That should hold the bracket nicely there. So we just do 3 more and we can reinsert the shelf. Okay, with the brass shelf supports in place, let's go ahead and stick the shelf back in and we'll see how she does. Okay, with the shelf in place, it's nice and sturdy now. That shelf will not fall with those brass supports. So let's call it job done. One bonus tip here for you. Whenever you use your masking tape, like I did today, to tape off that drill bit, after you're done, make sure you take the tape and curl it back like this on the end. That way the next time you go to use it, it's easily pulled up, doesn't get stuck to itself. I don't know how many times in the past I've spent trying to find the end of the tape so that I could use it. So that's a little time saver for you. Thanks for watching. See you next time here on Bud's Odd Jobs.